In this video, we are going to learn how to use the Hyperdoc to plan and draft your persuasive essay. Notice that all of the links to the videos that actually teach you how to come up with your thesis and your reasons and your evidence and actually build your essay, those are all linked within the doc by clicking on the links to the videos in each colored box. This video is mostly going to be just focusing on how to actually complete the doc. So we're going to go through really quickly what should go in each box, how to fill in those boxes, and where you can find information that will help you with your essay. Firstly, notice that all of the colored boxes already have a lot of text in them. Those you shouldn't really need to touch unless you are clicking the link to see the video. Notice that comes up separately in a little white box. That will open up in another tab, and then you can just come back to your Hyperdoc by clicking up at the top. But I'm going to close that for now. So your colored boxes have your directions, and then all of your white boxes are where you are going to type your text. In some of the boxes, I've put an example, and you can just select that text and type right over it. I'm going to leave that there because that's going to be the thesis statement that I'm going to jot my essay about. But what you would do is brainstorm several. Notice that I've instructed you to try out a few possible ones, just to make sure that you have gotten everything out and you're picking your very best idea. So you could jot some other examples of thesis statements that you could convince people of. I could probably write an essay on how students should always listen to their teachers. But I also think that fourth graders should get more recess. So you'll brainstorm a few of these, and then you'll pick the one that you are going to stick with and bold that by either hitting Control B or hitting the little B up at the top of your toolbar there. So after you've chosen your thesis statement, you're going to come down here to develop your reasons. If you need help coming up with your reasons, links are here. You are going to repeat your thesis statement in your box for your boxes and bullets, and then just replace that text reason 1 with your reason. Don't forget to repeat your thesis statement in each reason and use the word because or when. School uniforms are terrible because they are expensive. School uniforms are terrible because, they don't let kids express themselves. Dude, stop trying to talk while I type. And then come up with my third reason and come down onto your step 3 box. This is where you'll brainstorm your evidence. Again, videos linked here for help with that. You're just going to select that text there and type in your evidence. So a story goes here. Some research that you've done might go here. Maybe I have some data that I've collected from a survey I've done of my friends. All right, you're just doing a quick jot here to remind yourself what examples you want to include. Where you really want to spend all of your time, or most of your time, is down here in step 4. This is where you're actually going to draft out your essay using that boot camp to kind of get you going and keep it organized, but remembering also that you are elaborating much more than we've done in some of our flash drafts, okay? So make sure you include your introduction, using all of the charts and resources available to you. Use everything that you know about good opinion writing, transitions, content, elaboration, and use your checklist to help and make sure you're doing everything that you need to do. If you need help coming up with any of the components of your essay, use those links to make sure that you have heard everything in the videos that I've posted already. And then, of course, if you have questions, your peers or myself are good resources to ask as well. Enjoy writing your first persuasive essay of the year.